Hi guys. Okay, so maths is all about patterns. Okay, if you look in maths with the shapes, we've been looking last week about patterns, lines of symmetry, and these patterns get carried on to numbers. So what I thought today is for us to work with patterns and then to take those patterns into number patterns. Okay, so we could do this really easily by starting off and looking at different patterns that we could be making on the floor. So for example, if I start with a yellow, a green, and I go with yellow, and then I have a green, and I have a yellow, what is my next colour going to be? Well, quite obviously a green. If I make this slightly more difficult and I say, okay, well, I'm going to have two purples, one green, and then two purples and one blue, and then two purples and one yellow, what's going to be my next one? You're quite right, guys. Two purples. Okay, and I can keep doing different types of patterns with different kinds of things. So if you want to do this with your toys, go ahead and have a go. We're going to be having a look and doing them with shapes and then with numbers. So again, I can take this a bit further and I can say, if I have got a triangle and a circle and a triangle and a circle and a triangle, what shape comes next? Quite obviously my circle. Okay, exactly the same if I have got a pentagon, a circle, a square, a circle, a triangle. What am I going to have next? A circle. Okay, and patterns keep coming up in everything. Let's have a look at your multiplications. Your multiplications are also patterns. So have a look. What I'm going to be setting you today are different number lines for you to fill out the missing numbers. Okay, so there are two things that you have to do. Number one, I want you to invent your own different types of patterns. You guys can use as many different colours as you like. And number two, I want you to have a go at some of the number patterns that I have put for you under this video. For example, if I've got this number line here, let's move it along. What are going to be my missing numbers? Well, what am I counting in, guys? 2 up to 4, I'm counting in 2s. Let's go. 2, 4, 6. What's my next one going to be? If I don't know my next one, I put 6 in my head and I hold up 2 fingers. 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I have got my following number. Again, 8 and 2 more is going to be 10. Another number line, guys, could be very easily so guys, what is going to be at the beginning? If I've got 200, 300, 400, I've just told you the answer. I'm going up in hundreds. Okay, so my first one here is going to be 100. The next one, 200, 300, 400. Now guys, the trick is to figure out how much they are going up into and then to slot in the missing numbers. Have a go, okay? Remember, maths is all about fun and games. Do some of the number lines, invent some of your own patterns, and then send me your work, okay?